Welcome to our math class, children. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called ascending order and descending order. Children, do you know what is meant by ascending order? Yes, very good. Ascending order means the smallest number will come first and the largest number will come at the last. Number wise, we have to write the smallest number first and the largest number at the last. That is called writing in ascending order. Okay now children, now let us see how we will write numbers in ascending order. Now we will arrange the series of numbers into ascending order. So let's find out the first number, which is the smallest among all these numbers. Which is the first number? Here 4 is the first number. Next 2, 8, 7, 6, 3. Tell me children, the numbers which I have underlined, what is the place of these numbers? What is the place of these numbers? Very good. This is hundreds place. All the numbers I have underlined are in hundreds place. See, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Same for all these numbers. For example, take this number. 2 is in ones place, 0 is in hundreds place. 0 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place. Okay children. Now let us find out the numbers in the hundreds place. Which is the smallest among these numbers? Among the numbers which I have underlined, which is the smallest of all these numbers? See, 4. Is there any number less than 4? See, yes, 3. 3 is less than 4. And is there any number less than 3? Tell me children. Yes, very good. 2. Is there any number less than 2 among the numbers I have underlined? No. So this is the smallest number. So we will write this as the first number. 206. This is the smallest of the given numbers. So now we will strike it off. And on coming to the next number, which is the smallest number in the remaining numbers? Which is the smallest? 4. Is there any number less than 4? 3. Very good. So we will write this number as the next number. 311. Now what we have to do? We need to strike off this number. And again, see, 440. This is the number. 4 is in hundreds place. Which is the is there any number less than 4 in the remaining numbers? No, na children. So we will write down 440. And we will strike off 440. And in the remaining numbers 8, 7 and 6. Which is the smallest among 8, 7 and 6? 6. Very good. 6 is the smallest among 8, 7 and 6. So we will write 623 here. Okay now children, now we will strike it off. And there are only two numbers left, 8 and 7. Among 8 and 7, which is the smallest number? Among 8 and 7. Tell me children, which is the smallest number among 8 and 7? Very good, 7. So we will write 750. We will strike off 750. Which is the number left? Left means remaining. Which is the number left? 8. This is the only number left. So we will write it here at last. 802. See children, now all the numbers we have written are in ascending order. All the numbers we have written are in ascending order. You can check here. 2. Among all these numbers comes order wise. I mean not order wise, but these numbers comes in ascending order. Lesser number will come first and the greater number will come at the last. Okay now children. Now we will solve next sum. See. Now do the same thing here. First underline all the hundreds place digits. All the hundreds place digits. Okay, very good. Now we have underlined. And now look here, which is the smallest number among the hundreds place numbers? We have underlined. Yes, very good. 1. 1 is the smallest number. So we will write 105 here. We will strike off 105. And which is the next smallest number among the remaining numbers? See, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Which is the smallest? 4. So we will write 450 here. And we will strike off 450. Now, all the numbers in the hundreds place are same. All are 5, 5, 5 and 5. So how we will find out now? Tell me children, how we will find out this? Which is the smallest number? Yes, very good. Now, if all the numbers in the hundreds place are same, then we need to check the numbers in the tens place. Now, underline the numbers in the tens place. 0, 0, 5 and 0. Okay. Among 0, 0, 5, 0, which is the smallest number? Very good. 0 is the smallest number. But again we have a problem here. There are 3 zeros in the tens place. Like 3 numbers having zeros in the tens place. See, 509, 501, 505. Among these, all the hundreds digits and tens digits numbers are same. So now we will check ones digits. 9, 1 and 5. See children, first we need to check the hundreds digit number. The number which is in the hundreds place. Again, if all the numbers in the hundreds place are same, we need to check the number in the tens place. See here, among these 3 numbers, the number in the tens place are also same. So now again we came here to ones place. 9, 1 and 5. These are the numbers in the ones place. Among 9, 1 and 5, which is the smallest number? 1. Very good. 1 is less than 5 and 9. So we will write 501 here. And we will strike off this. Again, these two are same now children. 0 and 0, which is less than 5. Now we will see which is the smallest number among 9 and 5. Very good. 5 is the smallest number among 9 and 5. So we will write down 505 in the box. And we will strike off this. See, which is the smallest number among these two numbers? Obviously 509, because there is 0 in tens place, but there is 5 in tens place for this number. So 0 is less than 5, so we will write 509 in the box and we will strike off this. Obviously the remaining number will be the last number, 550. Now check this children. 105, this is less than 450, isn't it? And 501, this is greater than 450. The next number is greater than 501. 509 is greater than 505. And 550 is greater than 509. Obviously, the first number will be the smallest of the given numbers and the last number will be the largest among the given numbers. Okay. Now we will look at this sum. See, all the numbers in the hundreds place are same. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. All the numbers in the hundreds place are same. Now what we will do? We will check the numbers in the tens place. We will underline these numbers. 5, 1, 7, 9, 1, 2. Which is the smallest among 5, 1, 7, 9, 1 and 2? Obviously 1 is the smallest number. But there are two numbers. 1 and 1. For these two numbers, 1 is in tens place. Now what we need to do? We need to check the number in the ones place, 8 and 5. Which is the smallest number among these two? If we compare the number in the ones place, we will get this smallest number. Among 8 and 5, which is the smallest? 5. So we will write 315 in this box and we will strike it off. And again, among these numbers, which is the smallest? Now we will ignore the number in the hundreds place because all the numbers in the hundreds place are same. We will check only the tens and ones place here. Here 5, 1, 7, 9 and 2. Which is the smallest number? 1. So we will write 318 here and we will strike this off. After 1, among the remaining numbers, 5, 7, 9 and 2 are the remaining numbers. Which is the smallest? 328. 2 is the smallest. So the number is 328. Okay children. Now we have 3 numbers here. Which is the small number? Which is the small number? 5, 7 and 9. Which is the small number among 5, 7 and 9? Very good. 5 is the smallest number among 5, 7 and 9. So we will write 351 in the box and we will strike this off. Now there are only 2 numbers left among 7 and 9. We will not count this place now because both the numbers in the hundreds place are same, 3 and 3. 3 equals to 3, so we will not compare this. We will check only the numbers in the tens place. Among 7 and 9, which is the smallest number? Very good, 7 is the smallest number. So we will write 379 here. We will write 379 here and we will strike this off. Which is the remaining number? Yes, 397. The remaining number will be the last number, 397. We will strike this off. Children, this is all about